Hello, world explorers. It is your travel buddy here, Grayson Jack, and today I am taking you for the ultimate tour of London, England. From its ancient Roman roots to its soaring modern skyline, this is a city that never stops moving. Join us as we race through 2,000 years of history, iconic landmarks, and the electric energy of one of the world's greatest capitals. This is London. Let's dive in. At the heart of London lies Trafalgar Square, a historic gathering place watched over by the towering Nelson's Column. Built to honor Admiral Horatio Nelson's 1805 naval victory, the 169-foot monument is guarded by four massive bronze lions, allegedly cast from the melted-down metal of captured French cannons. Welcome to the administrative headquarters of the British monarchy. Since 1837, Buckingham Palace has served as the official London residence of the UK's sovereigns. Watch for the flag. If the royal standard is flying, the king is in. If it's the Union Jack, he's away. Standing proudly in front of Buckingham Palace, the Victoria Memorial is a gleaming tribute to Queen Victoria. This 82-foot marble monument features a gilded statue of winged victory at its summit. Known locally as the wedding cake, it remains the tallest monument to a monarch in England. Designed by Sir Christopher Wren after the Great Fire of 1666, St. Paul's Cathedral is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Its iconic dome is one of the largest in the world. Inside, the Whispering Gallery's unique acoustics allow a quiet word to be heard clearly 100 feet away. Bright lights and bustling crowds define Piccadilly Circus, London's answer to Times Square. Known for its massive neon displays and the famous statue of Anteros, it's a central meeting point where the energy of the West End's shopping and theatre districts truly comes to life. Often mistaken for London Bridge, the magnificent Tower Bridge is a feat of Victorian engineering. Its bascules raise roughly twice a day to allow tall ships to pass through. For the best view, walk the high-level glass walkways and look 138 feet straight down to the Thames. Piercing the clouds at over 1,000 feet, the Shard is Western Europe's tallest building. Designed by Renzo Piano to resemble a shard of glass, it offers 360-degree views stretching 40 miles. On a clear day, you can see all the way to Windsor Castle from its skydeck. Originally built to celebrate the millennium, the London Eye has become a permanent icon of the South Bank. Each of its 32 capsules represents a London borough. Rotating at just 0.6 miles per hour, it offers a slow, graceful panorama of the city's historic skyline. With a history spanning nearly 1,000 years, the Tower of London has served as a royal palace, a notorious prison, and a fortress. Today, it's home to the priceless crown jewels and is famously guarded by the yeoman warders, better known as the Beefeaters. Westminster Abbey is the stage for Britain's most significant royal events. Since 1066, it has hosted every coronation and served as the final resting place for 17 monarchs. Its stunning Gothic architecture holds over 3,000 memorials to the nation's greatest writers, scientists, and leaders. Though many call the whole tower Big Ben, the name actually belongs to the massive 13-ton bell inside. Formerly known as the Elizabeth Tower, this world-famous clock has kept London on time since 1859 and remains the ultimate symbol of the British Parliament and democracy. Escape the city bustle at the Royal Botanic Gardens Kew, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Home to the world's most diverse collection of living plants, its Victorian glasshouses, like the stunning Palm House, offer a lush tropical journey through the history of global botany and conservation. Mind the gap. The London Underground is the world's oldest subway system, dating back to 1863. Carrying millions of passengers daily across 272 stations, the Tube is the lifeblood of the city, connecting historic neighborhoods and modern hubs via its famous color-coded map. Hope you enjoyed our quick tour of London. See you back soon for another trip, somewhere just as exciting.